In this video, I'll show you how to get started with the Binance app. From registration to ID verification and OTP setup, this video will explore the things you should know about using the Binance app. But before we get started, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. For those familiar with my videos, as I always mention, an important thing that you should note is that you have to create and maintain a Binance account to access the platform services. If you're finding it difficult to open an account, don't worry, because I have made videos on that, so be sure to check them out. When opening your Binance account, I want you to pay attention to the option that says Referral ID. If you use my referral ID, T7J9MB5J, you'll get an extra 20% off on the trading rates you have to pay for every trade that you make on the exchange. All you have to do to get that 20% off is go to the Referral ID drop-down and click on it. After that, a field will open where you'll type in my referral code. I will also leave the code in the description below. Once you use my referral code, you'll get an extra 20% off your trading fees, which could end up being a lot of money, especially if you're planning to do a lot of trading on Binance. So, you can register with Binance via the desktop or through the Binance app using your phone number, email address, Google account, or Apple ID. But for this tutorial, you'll be focusing on how to register via the app. Once you've registered, Binance will prompt you to provide your Know Your Customer or KYC ID details. This step is crucial for maintaining security and compliance, and will ensure that your account is well protected. It also aligns with global regulations like anti-money laundering and Know Your Customer requirements. Keep in mind that the specific credentials needed for KYC can vary depending on your region and the type of account you're setting up. Now let's dive into the process of creating a Binance account using the Binance app. To begin registration on the mobile app, you'll need to install Binance on your smartphone via the Play Store or App Store if you have not done so already. Once installed, open the mobile app and tap Sign Up on the top left. Then, select Sign Up with phone or email. After that, select your country of residence from the country/area of residence drop-down and then select Create Personal Account. Once you've done that, provide your email address and password and select Next. You can also choose whether or not you'd like to receive Binance updates at this point. You might also get a security check screen that you can complete by sliding the lock into place. Once that's done, check your inbox for the Binance email verification code. Copy and paste the verification code inside the email verification code field and hit Next. If prompted, you can enable biometric authentication for Binance. Next, provide your phone number, select Next, and verify your phone number if prompted. After that, click Verify Now to begin the Binance KYC process. The verification phase is a very important stage in Binance registration because you cannot transact or exchange currencies on the platform without completing this phase. To complete the KYC phase, click Verify Now on the app and complete the information fields with your home address, postcode, city and country, and click Continue. The next step requires that you upload identity documents, and it is best to photograph your documents in daylight on a plain background. Before you upload, check that all ID numbers are easy to read and no part of the document has been cut away by the camera. Once you've done that, proceed with the upload and click Continue. After that, the app will open on the facial recognition page. Remove any headwear like glasses or a hat, and make sure you are in a well-lit area with a plain background. Hold your mobile in portrait, or you can ask someone to help you with this stage. Once you are ready, proceed by clicking on Verification. Follow the instructions if the app asks you to smile, blink, or move your head, and if the face verification is successful, you will be automatically notified by the app. Once that is done, Binance will check everything is in order and verify your account. Now, if your KYC documents are approved, Binance may confirm verification in a few minutes. But, depending on your location and the validity of your credentials, it may take a few days. By clicking your profile icon, you can check the verification process. Your status will show a green check mark once verified. And that's it with setting up your Binance account on the Binance app. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to use my referral code when opening your Binance account to enjoy 20% off your trading fees on the platform. As I said earlier, I will leave the code in the description below. If you're yet to subscribe, be sure to do that now because there are more tutorials on the way.